Dear students, welcome to Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. As a part of the subject Discrete Mathematics and chapter Recurrence Relation, we will discuss on the introduction part of recurrence relation, order of recurrence relation, degree of recurrence relation, and we will see the types of recurrence relation, and we will also find the solution for homogeneous equation. Now, first, let me introduce you to recurrence relation. Here we will discuss about the recurrence relation, which is a special type of relationship between function and the differences of various order of function. The definition of recurrence relation is a recurrence relation for the sequence an where n equal to 0 to infinity is an equation or formula that expresses an in terms of one or more of the previous terms a0, a1 up to an minus 1 for any integer n greater than equal to 1. This is also known as difference equation. For example, the sequence 1, 2, 3 dot 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 is defined by the recurrence relation an equal to an minus 1 plus 1 with a1 equal to 1. This gives an equal to n. Second is the binomial coefficient has the recurrence relation NCR equal to n minus 1 CR plus n minus 1 CR minus 1 with NC0 and NCN equal to 1. And the next example of recurrence relation is the Fibonacci sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 1, 3 is defined by the recurrence relation an equal to an minus 2 plus an minus 1 for n greater than equal to 2 with a1 and a2 equal to 1. Now, what is the order of recurrence relation? The order of recurrence relation is defined by the difference between the highest and the lowest subscript of an in the relation. For example, see, we will find the order of recurrence relation. What is the order of recurrence relation? That is the difference between highest and the lowest subscript. For example, if I take this an equal to an minus 2 plus an minus 1. Here the highest subscript is n and the lowest subscript is n minus 2. So I will minus highest minus lowest. So n minus 2. I will open the bracket. I will get my answer as 2. So the order of this recurrence relation is 2. Let me take one more example. The order of recurrence relation f of x plus 3 minus f of x plus 2 plus 4 of x equal to 0. See, here the highest part is x plus 3 and the lowest is x. So highest minus lowest. Here x will get cancelled. So the order of the given recurrence relation is 3. Now let us see the degree of recurrence relation. The highest power of an or yn or fx is called the degree of the recurrence relation. We just need to see the highest power of the given recurrence relation. For example, if I consider the recurrence relation as yn raised to 4 minus 5 yn minus 1 cube plus 6 yn equal to f of n, where f of n is a function of n. So the highest power over here is 4. So the degree of the recurrence relation is 4. Similarly, let me take one more example. ak plus 3 cube plus 3a square k plus 2 plus 2 ak plus 1 equal to 0. Here the highest power is 3. So the degree of this relation is 3. Now the next topic is types of recurrence relation. See, based on the degree of recurrence relation, we will define some of the following recurrence relations and their definitions. First is linear recurrence relation. The recurrence relation is called linear if its degree is 1. Okay, that means the highest power of the equation is 1. The general form of linear recurrence relation of order k with the constant coefficient is C0 an plus C an minus 1 plus up to ck n minus k f of n. We name this as equation 1, where c0 to ck are the constant and f of n is some function of n which satisfies this equation 1. Now next is linear homogeneous relation. See, we know that what is linear. Linear means the highest power of the recurrence relation is 1. The linear recurrence relation 1 is called linear homogeneous relation of order k if f of n equal to 0. And if f of n is not equal to 0, it is called linear non-homogeneous relation. We need to remember only two things. If function is 0, then it is homogeneous. If f of n is not equal to 0, then it is non-homogeneous. For example, ak plus 1 minus 5ak plus 6 ak minus 1. Here see the function is 0. So we can say that it is homogeneous. And what is the order? Order of the relation will be 2. Okay. Now next. ak plus 2 minus 5ak equal to 2k plus 1. See, here function is not 0. Therefore, this is non-homogeneous and the order is 2 over here. Now next, let us move towards the solution of recurrence relation. Now, as we have discussed the first equation, equation 1, I am writing over here. We will find the solution of this equation. The general solution of equation 1 is obtained as a sum of two parts. The solution of linear homogeneous relation. It is called as homogeneous solution. See. And second part is the particular solution which satisfies equation 1 with f of n. The general solution is given by an equal to anh plus anp, where anh is homogeneous solution and anp is a particular solution. Now see, when we have homogeneous equation, that is when f of n equal to 0, we just need to find anh. When f of n is not equal to 0, we need to find both anh and anp. Now for homogeneous solution. Consider a homogeneous recurrence relation C0 an plus C1 an minus 1 plus up to plus Cn a0 equal to 0, and I name it as equation 1. Suppose the solution of 1 is of the form an equal to c alpha raised to n. If this is the solution, where alpha is the characteristic root of this equation and c is the constant. If I am saying this is the solution, then it must satisfy equation 1. So what I will do is, I will put this solution in above equation 1 in place of an minus 1 and so on, and I will also replace this n respectively. So I will get c0 c alpha raised to n, c1 into c alpha raised to n minus 1 and so on. Therefore, c is constant, so I can write c0 c1 plus to cn alpha raised to 0 equal to 0, and I name it as equation 3. This equation 3 is called the characteristic equation of the recurrence relation 1, and alpha is the characteristic root. Now depending on this characteristic root, a homogeneous solution can be written in different forms. Now let me tell you this all in short. This is the recurrence relation equation 1, and if I am assuming that An is the solution of the relation equation 1, then alpha is called the characteristic root, and if I substitute this in equation 1 and when I get equation 3, then this equation is called the characteristic equation where alpha is the characteristic root, and there are different nature of the roots like distinct and real and equal and complex. So based on this we will find the different solution of homogeneous equation. Now case 1, if roots are real and distinct, in this case the homogeneous solution is given by ANH equal to A1 alpha 1 raised to n plus AN2 A2 alpha 2 raised to n up to An alpha n raised to n. Now let us understand this by example. See, first example is solve the recurrence relation ak minus 5ak minus 1 plus 6ak minus 2 equal to 0. Here we are having equal to 0, that means fn is equal to 0, so we just need to find ANH. Okay. Now see, the characteristic equation is given by alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 6 equal to 0. Now how you know that this equation will be in terms of alpha square only? So for this we need to find the order, and what is order of the equation? Highest minus lowest subscript. Here highest subscript is k minus, and lowest is k minus 2. So k plus 2. This k will get cancelled and 2 is our order. So highest power of alpha will be 2. Okay. So alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 6 equal to 0. By splitting the middle term process, we get alpha minus 3 into alpha minus 2 equal to 0. We can also find this in this way. We have to split 6 into 2 parts, and we need the middle term as minus 5. So I will take minus 3 and minus 2. Here the multiplication will be 6, and when I add this both, I get the middle term as minus 5. So alpha equal to 2 and 3. Here both roots are real and both are distinct. So according to case 1, we can write the solution as An equal to A1 2 raised to n plus A2 3 raised to n. Okay, so this is the solution of the given recurrence relation. This can be also written as ANH. ANP we will not find over here. Now let us take one more example. Solve the recurrence relation for the Fibonacci sequence Sk equal to Sk minus 1 plus Sk minus 2 for k greater than equal to 2 and S0 and S1 are 1. This is our recurrence relation. Again you can find the order here. Highest subscript is k and lowest subscript is k minus 2. So the order will be equal to 2. So the power of alpha will be equal to 2. So I will replace this here. Alpha square minus alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Now by splitting the middle term, we cannot find the value of alpha over here. So we need to find we need to use the formula of discriminant method. That is alpha equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The coefficient of alpha square here is 1, so a equal to 1. Coefficient of alpha is minus 1, so b equal to minus 1. And the constant term c is minus 1, so c equal to minus 1. Now I will put these values in this equation. So after putting this value, I get this equation over here. Now I will simplify this. Now this minus minus will become plus. So here I will get only plus 1, and on simplifying this term I get 1 plus 4, that is equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Now again these are real and distinct. This can be written as 1 plus root 5 by 2 and 1 minus root 5 by 2. So the solution will be Sk equal to A1, first root will be 1 plus root 5 by 2 raised to k, plus A2 into another root I will take 1 minus root 5 by 2 raised to k. Almost our solution is here, but we have given here the initial condition, that is S0 and S1. S0 means we will replace k by 0. We will replace k by 0. So on replacing here k by 0, I get this term will become 1 and this term will also become 1. So I get A1 plus A2. Now since S1 is also given to us, so S1 will be S1 equal to, I will replace k by 1, A1 into 1 plus root 5 by 2 plus A2 into 1 minus root 5 by 2. So we have these two equations over here. I will solve this equation by elimination method and I will get the value of A1 and A2. A1 will be 1 plus root 5 upon 2 root 5 and A2 equal to minus 1 minus root 5 upon 2 root 5. Now I will substitute this value in Sk, equation of Sk. So I get as Sk equal to, this root 5 I have taken common here. So 1 by root 5, 1 plus root 5 upon raised to k plus 1 minus 1 by root 5, 1 minus root 5 by 2, k plus 1. Now case 2 is when roots are real and repeated. Real and repeated means, suppose I get the value of alpha as 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 and so on. Now let alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha m be real and repeated roots. Then the homogeneous solution is given by ANH equal to A1 plus A2n. The power of n will increase over here. Okay. Raised to alpha 1 raised to n, and other roots are real and distinct. So it can be written as case 1. Now let us understand this in better way by taking some examples. Solve the recurrence relation an plus 6 an minus 1 plus 12 an minus 2 plus 8 an minus 3 equal to 0. First let us see the order of this equation. Here the highest subscript is n and the lowest is n minus 3. So n minus 3. So n will get cancelled and highest power of alpha will be 3. So I get here alpha cube plus 6 alpha square plus 12 alpha plus 8 equal to 0. Now I have to find the value of alpha over here. This can be done by using table method. First I will put alpha equal to 1 here. It must satisfy the equation, but here this will not satisfy the equation. So I will put minus 1. This will also not satisfy this equation. I will move towards minus 2. When I put alpha equal to minus 2 over here, then I will get my answer as 0. That means it will satisfy this equation. So alpha equal to minus 2 is the first root of this equation. Then by using table method, I will get this alpha square plus 4 alpha plus 4 equal to 0. And this again can be written as alpha plus 2 into alpha plus 2. Now from this we get alpha equal to minus 2 and minus 2. So this all are real and this all are repeated. So the general solution is given by an equal to, see there are 3 roots. Okay, so I will write, and all three are equal, so I will write a1 plus a2n plus a3n square, and this root I will write over here minus 2 raised to n. If I get one more root like minus 2, one more I get, then I will add one more entry here, that is plus a4n cube. Let us take one more example. Solve the recurrence relation an minus 6 an minus 1 plus 9 an minus 2 equal to 0. The characteristic equation can be written as alpha square minus 6 alpha plus 9 equal to 0, because the order of this equation is 2. And by splitting the middle term, we can write here alpha minus 3 equal to 0. So from this we get alpha equal to 3 and 3. So these are again real and repeated. So we can write an equal to a1 plus n a2 and 3 raised to n. Now let us move towards another example, case 3. Here the roots are imaginary and distinct. See, in this case we get the root like a plus ib and a minus ib. Suppose these are the two roots and remaining are real and distinct. That is, it is the mixture of real and complex. Then the homogeneous solution is given by anh equal to a1. First time we will take plus sign raised to n. Second time we will take minus sign raised to n, and other roots we will write according to case 1. Now let us check example based on this. Ak plus 4 plus 2 ak plus 3 plus 3 ak plus 2 plus 2 into ak plus 1 plus ak equal to 0. See here, you can see here that the order of the equation will be 4. Okay, so the characteristic equation can be written as alpha raised to 4 plus 2 alpha cube plus 3 alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 1 equal to 0. See, this is bit tricky over here. I have to find the value of alpha over here. What I will do is, I will rewrite this equation in such a way that I can find out the common terms in between them. See, first alpha raised to 4 I have written here. Now this 2 alpha cube I have split into two parts, alpha cube plus alpha cube. Okay, now here next term is 3 alpha square. I have splitted this again 3 times, alpha square plus alpha square plus alpha square, and this 2 alpha I have splitted as alpha plus alpha, and this 1 is as it is. So I have splitted in such a way that I can take terms common out of it. Now see, from this first 3 terms I will take alpha square common. From next 3 terms I am taking alpha common, and from last 3 terms I will take 1 common. Okay, so from this whole equation I am taking alpha square plus alpha plus 1 common. So this I have taken over common over here. So these are the terms left, alpha square plus alpha plus 1. This is the term left over here. So here you can see that these are repeated 2 times. Okay, now so we have to find the value of this equation over here first. So we will use the formula alpha equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here the coefficient of alpha square is 1, so a equal to 1. Coefficient of alpha is 1 and constant is 1, so b and c will be equal to 1. Now I will put these values in this equation. So I get minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 2. Now this can be written as minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. This will become 2 times because our roots are 2 times over there. Okay, so according to the complex roots, I get my equation as, since it is repeated, I have to write here a1 plus a2k. First I will take plus sign, and a3 plus a4k I will take here minus sign. Okay, if it is not repeated, then we just need to take only constant a1 and a2. But since it is repeated over here, I have to write here a1 plus a2k and a3 plus a4k. This example can be said as complex and repeated. Let us take one more example. ak plus 4 plus 4ak plus 3 plus 8ak plus 2 plus 8ak plus 1 plus 4ak equal to 0. Here we can see that the order of the equation is 4. So characteristic equation can be written as alpha raised to 4 plus 4 alpha cube plus 8 alpha square plus 8 alpha plus 4 equal to 0. Now see, first alpha raised to 4 I have written as it is. Now I will distribute this in two parts. 2 alpha cube plus 2 alpha cube. Again, alpha square, 8 alpha square, I am converting in three parts. 2 plus 4 plus 2. And next 8 alpha I am taking as 4 alpha plus 4 alpha, and this 4 will be as it is. Again, from first three terms I will take alpha square common. From next three terms I am taking 2 alpha common, and from last three terms I am taking 2 common. Now again from this whole equation I am taking alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 2 common. So I am left with alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 2. Again this is 2 times. According to example 1, we will use again this formula, alpha equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to 2, and c will be equal to 2. I will substitute this values in previous equation formula. So I get minus 2 plus or minus root minus 4 by 2. And since this is complex, I have to write here plus or minus 2i. I will take 2 common from the numerator portion, and 2 will get cancelled. So I get minus 1 plus or minus I, and this I have to consider 2 times because the equation have 2 times. Alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 2 is 2 times. So again here the roots are complex and repeated. So the general solution ANH, or the homogeneous solution, can be written as AK equal to A1 plus A2K. First I am taking plus sign over here, raised to k. I will take other constants, a3 plus a4k. I am taking here minus sign, minus 1 minus I whole raised to k. So dear students, we have discussed how to find the homogeneous solution for the recurrence relation. Thank you.